Oh my God!
Let me get a level for you.
Can you give me a robot voice?
Yeah.
All the time?
Yeah.
If only I had some sort of idea. Every time?
Here you go.
No matter what we record?
Yeah. Dude.
Oh, I know what is always affecting people in their daily lives. Wet hair. If you get your hair wet, don't get depressed. Sex hair is gonna put an end to this mess. Yeah, put this CD in the tape deck. I'm a big fan of robot voice. We're about to do this?
You ready for this?
Yeah. Feel the energy.
It ain't about doing it perfect, man. It's about doing you.
Yeah. This shit right here gonna blow dry your hair, y'all.
For sure.
Dry it. Blow it. Dry it. This song right here will dry your hair.
Okay, you guys don't sing, man. It's fucking me up. It's like you need to start rapping.
That's fine, that's fine.
I can do that track and do it
I'm a
now.
professional.
All right.
If you get your hair wet, don't get depressed. Sex hair is gonna put an end to this mess. Blow it. Dry it. You got to blow it. Blow it and dry your hair. Blow it. I like this. I feel like I'm typo negative. Alright, let's record it. Don't you hate it when you get your hair wet? Sex hairs write song in crayons.
They make it look so easy.
Snake theory. But how long can y'all hold y'all breath? Suffocate yourself to death. Blue crayons. I lost my crayon. Put a plastic bag up and over your head and jump in the water. Yeah, you're gonna get your hair wet. There it is, right there. Get it for me, please. Thank you.
Blow it, dry it.
Blow it and dry your hair. Blow it.
I need to write that. It's like at the beginning of the song.
Blow it, dry it, yeah. Blow it and dry your hair.
This is the finished product for the next sex hair song.
We're not keeping that one.
Lord knows.
1, 2, 3, yeah. Everybody do the same thing as me. No. Blow it. Dry it. Blow it and dry your hair. Blow it and dry your hair. Yeah, dry it. Hey, buddy. Through the use of bass, we will dry your hair right now. What you gonna do if your hair gets wet? If you get your hair wet, what's next? One more take. One more take. No, I don't want to. I have a headache. What you gonna do when your hair gets wet? God. What happened?
There's not really a problem at all, man.
Blow dryer. Blow dryer. No. I can do this. I can do this.
It was a good attempt. It was a good attempt.
Gonna get your hair wet. Should've brought a towel, but you always forget what you're gonna do. You're probably gonna listen to this song, get your hair dry so you don't catch a cold. Next song.
Next song. All right. File.
So easy.
Save as blowing and drying.
We won't tell anybody that you were part of this.
Nobody has to know that you wrote this song.
Maybe I could beat them in a breathing contest. Yeah, how long can y'all hold y'all breath? Suffocate yourself to death. Put a plastic bag up and over your head.
Motherfucker, man.
That's just dark as hell, man.
That song's awesome.
Blow it.
Y'all put me on the next song.
We got it on video. Oh, man, you know it. Oh.